Everybody, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can name a YouTube channel. So to name a YouTube channel, first go ahead and open up YouTube. Once you are there, you will be appear with the home page of YouTube. You can see the U option on the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you're here, you can see the view channel option. Go ahead and tap on it. You can see the pencil icon right here. Go ahead and tap on it. And in here, you can see the name of the channel. Now tap on the pencil icon. So as you can see, it is visible to anyone on YouTube, and changes to your name will be reflected only on YouTube. You can change your name twice in 14 days. If you want to change your name, go ahead and clear your name. Type down the new name that you want to change. Once it's done, go ahead and tap on save and you are good to go. So this is how easily you can name a YouTube channel. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.